You can freely edit department records as needed. However, keep this in mind. When editing a department name in the department file, it does not change the name on the item records and inventory. So I'm going to go to the items list, and you see the department. So if you change the item in the department list, you will have to then go into this department. You must edit the department name for each item assigned to that department to reflect the new name. We will go back to the department list. Another note is that changes to the department name are automatically reflected in other program areas and on reports. Editing the margin and markup or the tax code does not update existing items in inventory. These values are used only when adding new items to inventory. So now to edit a department record, we're going to highlight the department record that we want to modify, which is the IBM computer. We can click Edit from the right hand side of the screen. We can also choose Edit from the window toolbar. We can modify the department as necessary. I'll put a margin of 50% in there. Click Save. That's how you edit a department record.